Hi, welcome to the Short Sale Sherpa channel. I'm Ryan Milley, offering you tips and guidance for the best way to manage going through a foreclosure. Foreclosures can be a very stressful situation, so I hope you to bring some information to you to help minimize the impact to you and your family. We greatly appreciate your support. If you like the content we're providing, please hit the subscription button below and the notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos. With the short sale process, it really depends on your situation on if you will make money as an outcome of the process. The following provides details around the circumstances with which you would potentially make money in this process. I really hope you found this information helpful. We'd be glad to assist you. Please reach out so we can talk about what options are best for your situation. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you know anybody that can benefit from the information I've shared today, please share the video with them. Again, please consider hitting the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.